In 2023, I made over $460,000 day trading. I placed thousands of profitable trades, and I helped over 5,861 people profit from the markets. And if you have the money to invest, there's still no better time to develop your trading skills and get started. But what are the secrets to making a living out of day trading? Now, everyone tells you to buy low and sell high, or that the trend is your friend, but no one actually tells you how trading options works so that you can actually make a living out of it. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through 5 underrated secrets that most online gurus won't tell you, which allowed me to become a profitable trader and make money consistently by day trading options. So if you want to improve and learn how to make money trading, watch this video until the end and I'll reveal to you everything that you need to know. First secret is to understand key levels. Within any market, whether it's housing market, shoe market, resale market, there's going to be a price support and resistance. That is certain levels of prices that buyers will definitely want to buy at and certain levels that sellers will definitely be interested in selling at. Now, when it comes to trading, this is the first step to becoming a consistent and profitable trader. Without knowing how to identify key levels, nothing else I show you will be useful because it all starts here. The nice thing about learning key levels is that the information can be used not only for day trading purposes, but you can actually use this knowledge of key levels on a stock in your long-term portfolio or in your retirement accounts. Now remember, we always aim to buy at support levels and sell at resistance. Doing the opposite can cost you a ton of money. The second secret to learn is how to find setups. Now, I'm a big technical analysis trader. I look at pattern breaks, consolidation, breakouts, and other things. In fact, every Sunday I do a live call with my students going over the top setups for the week ahead, and this week we talked about a technical daily breakout pattern on the stock Netflix, which in turn printed us over 854% on the weekly call options that we swung for 3 days' time. Understanding technical analysis is one thing, but being able to identify and scan the market for setups to plan for the week ahead is another. And that's why we do the live Sunday scan every single week with my students so that I can take the guesswork out of the equation for them completely. The third secret is knowing when to take the trade. Once we have learned the key levels, the technical setups, and finding these plays, we have to understand how to actually enter the trade in order to actually profit. When trading options, you have to determine what strike you're going to enter, what expiration will you take, and most importantly, when are you actually going to buy it? See, nailing your entries is a key to being a profitable trader. I would have made over $460,000 last year if I wasn't good at entering my trades on the majority of the time. And if you can't master this, then there will be more times than not when you get in at the wrong moment and then minutes later you're down 20%. And this is why I do live voice trading with my students so that they can hear when I enter and when I exit a trade and nail the entries with me. In fact, just today, one of the students did $1,000 in just 3 minutes, and it's all because he was listening to our live voice trading. Now, the fourth secret to becoming a profitable options trader is risk management. Without this, traders will never make it. And I really do compare a lack of risk management to someone with a really nice car, but no gas inside of it. So you have this vehicle in front of you, but you can't get from point A to point B because you have no gas to get you there. Risk management is the tool that will get you from a new or struggling trader to one that consistently can make thousands of dollars per day. And as a trader, I'm always aiming for a 1 to 2 risk to reward multiple. If I'm going to risk a 20% loss, I want to try and make at least a 40% return, thus 1 to 2. Now, if all of this sounds foreign to you, don't worry because I cover this in depth in my 30 module Options 101 course that all of my students have access to as well. And now the fifth and final step to becoming a profitable trader is that you have to believe in yourself while surrounding yourself with like-minded people. And look, I know it sounds cliche, but 5 years ago, I was in the corporate rat race. I was managing a finance department at a large software company doing over $100 million in annual recurring revenue. And I knew that the job was paying me well, but that I would never truly have the freedom that learning how to trade could provide me. I knew that I had to surround myself with people who were currently doing it, so that's exactly what I did. I surrounded myself with multi-millionaire day traders, and eventually I met them in person, and now they're some of my best friends. And sometimes getting to that point in life that you want to is just about being around others who can help you and show you the ropes like I had the privilege of having over the last 5 years. Those are my 5 secrets that will allow you to make a living out of day trading. Now, if you follow everything I've just shared, there's really no doubt in my mind that you will improve your trading. And after watching this video, you literally do have all of the secrets that you need to get started. However, if you decide to try all of this and implement this on your own, then I don't think it's gonna go well. It's taken me over 6 years and tens of thousands of dollars worth of mistakes to actually get where I'm at today. And while I've given you a little bit of a shortcut in this video, there will be a ton of bottlenecks and constraints that will come up if you try to become a profitable trader all on your own. Doing it all by yourself could end up costing you more money and time than it's actually worth, and you might miss out on the big opportunities that we have today. So instead of wasting your time and potentially thousands of dollars, why not just learn from experts right from the start? Just click the link in the description to see how you can work directly with me, and you'll find a quick video and way more details on that page about how I can help you succeed in trading options, even if you're starting from scratch, if you've tried and if you failed before, or if you just don't have the time to stare at the charts all day long, because let's be honest, I don't have that time either. However, I will only work with people who have over $5,000 ready to trade in the markets. Can't wait to get started, and I'll see you in the next video.